hatch day, and we've got some presents in our incubator, don't we, Joe? Nothing has hatched yet, but we definitely have some movement. Let me show you.
It just wiggled.
It did wiggle. There's a little bird in there. There it is.
I bet it's trying to go.
Yep.
I'm trying to push out, but can't because it's still like getting born. It's gonna hatch later.
It's gonna hatch later. When do you think it's gonna hatch?
I think it's gonna hatch on Tuesday.
Tuesday? I hope it's a little sooner than that. Well, we'll keep you posted as hopefully some baby quails hatch in the next day or so. We've got 19 in the incubator, however, only 14 of those are actually fertile. When I candled them, I noticed some were not actually fertile. We've also got 36 chicken eggs that are in the incubator too, and those should be hatching here in the next 2 to 3 days. I think we had a total of 29 actually fertile out of the 36, so we're looking forward to some baby chicks.